Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unzip file in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your file explorer and go to your file. So now I'm going to zip all the file. Now I am going to unzip this file. So you have to click this zip file and click the right button of your mouse. Here you can see extract all. Click on it. Click on extract. So now you can see how I have opened my zip file. So this is how you can unzip your file in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.